What's up guys? So, today's video ay gusto ko lang i-share yung mga kailangan natin, lalong-lalo na sa mga OFW na nandito sa Hong Kong na mag-extend ng visa. Syempre, alam naman natin guys na kailangan natin mag-extend, lalong-lalo na sa mga tulad ko na hindi pa nakakauwi ng Pilipinas, kasi alam naman natin na dito sa Hong Kong kailangan nating i-extend yung visa natin kasi binibigyan lang tayo ng 1 year extension dati noong wala pang COVID. So, ngayon guys, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo yung mga kailangan nating dalhin, yung mga requirements mula sa immigration na kailangan nating ipasa para makapag-extend ng visa. So, yan na nga guys. Ang unang-unang kailangan natin guys is yung, kung naalala nyo yung puti na pinipirmahan natin pag nagre-renew tayo ng contract. Ayun po, kailangan po natin yung nakalagay is helper. I-flash ko dito or dito yung letter na ganon. Number 2, kailangan natin ng supporting letter ng iyong amo. Kailangan guys na yung supporting letter na galing sa amo ay may sign ng amo mo, may pangalan ng amo mo, yung ID card ng amo mo, tapos yung sa taas niya guys is meron doon yung pangalan mo, yung date, yung address ng i-address mo sa immigration. I-flash ko rin dito guys yung letter na ginawa ko, sample letter. Pero it's up to you guys kung ipapagawa mo sa amo mo or ikaw na mismo yung gagawa tapos ipapapirma mo na lang sa amo mo. Number 3 guys, ito yung bagong bagong inilabas ng immigration na kailangan natin kapag tayo ay mag-e-extend ng visa. Ito yung undertaking of employer. Kung saan guys, marami nakalagay doon na pag So ayun guys, hindi natin dapat kalimutan yon. Kailangan po nun is mapirmahan ng mga amo. Ayan, i-refresh ko dito po sa screen kung saan po kayo pwedeng i-download yung letter guys, yung undertaking letters, kasi pwede naman po siyang i-download. Number 4 guys na kailangan natin is yung passport. Kailangan natin yung passport guys. Ipapasirox lang natin yung front ng passport, tapos yung visa, end of visa guys, yun, ipapasirox po natin yun. Kailangan po yung front ng passport at saka yung last visa mo, kailangan nakasirox yun. And then i-attach mo yun. Siguraduhin mo guys na makumpleto mo lahat ng requirements na yun para hindi ka pabalik-balik guys sa immigration. Kasi once na nakalimutan mo yung isa doon, yun na guys, hindi nila tatanggapin yung letter mo. Ito yun guys, yung nakalagay. Sa taas niya is application reference. Tapos, undertaking of employer, I, holder of Hong Kong identity card number, and the employer of the foreign domestic helper, the helper name, holder of passport, Hong Kong ID card number. In view of the COVID epidemic situation in Hong Kong, the government of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region, the government, has gazetted the specification under the Prevention and Control of Disease Regulation of Cross-Boundary Conveyances and Travelers, Regulation CAP 599H, Laws of Hong Kong, the regulation, to impose conditions on travelers, including foreign domestic helpers arriving from specified places. I therefore undertake to the government, as long as the regulation and specification are in force, that number 1, I will arrange the helper upon each and every arrival in Hong Kong to provide the documents required under the regulation if the aforementioned regulation and specification are still in the force and applicable to the helper on the date on which the helper arrives in Hong Kong. Number 2. I will comply with any other requirements relating to the helper imposed by the government upon the helpers arrive in response to the COVID-19 epidemic situation if such requirements are still in force and applicable to the helper on the date on which the helpers arrive in Hong Kong. And number 3, for the helpers' compliance with the above requirements, I will be responsible for the costs applicable to the helper, including the cost of nucleic acid tests, accommodation expenses, and provision of food allowance to the helper during the compulsory quarantine applicable where a helper is commencing an employment contract, the situation under Clause 8 of the Standard Employment Contract, and where a helper is returning to Hong Kong after taking a vacation in his/her place of origin. The situation under Clause 13 of the Standard Employment Contract. I understand that if I breach this undertaking, the helper may be denied entry into Hong Kong and my conduct will be taken into account when my future application for employing a domestic helper from abroad is made and any such application may be refused. Tapos, yung date guys, signature ng employer, tapos name ng employer. I-flash ko pala sa screen guys, dito sa baba yung kung saan kayo pwedeng ma-download yung undertaking letter of employers. Pwede nyo po siyang ipaprint sa bahay nyo kung gusto ng amo nyo guys. And then, pwede din yung puti na sinasabi ko kanina na for helper, meron din po sila ganon. Meron po silang pwedeng i-print na para hindi ka napupunta ng immigration, nakukuha, tapos uuwi ka, tapos pipil upan mo, tapos gagawa ka pa ng letter ng amo mo, papapirmahan mo pa. Kaya, lalagay ko na lang dito sa description box, guys, yan, kung saan kayo pwedeng download ng mga ganon. So, yun na nga guys. Thank you for watching. Sana po ay may na-share ako sa inyo. Lalong-lalo na nga po sa mga OFW na katulad ko nandito po sa Hong Kong. Maraming salamat po. God bless po sa inyo. At sana po ay maging safe tayong lahat. At sana din po ay lagi po tayong mag-ingat. Lalong-lalo na po sa ating mga day off. Bye-bye po! Para po sa susunod kong video, sana po ay mag-subscribe na po kayo, mag-like, mag-share, mag-comment kung may naitulong po ako sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. God bless po. Always pray, God. Thank you po. Bye-bye!